Hey guys, I've had my electric pressure cooker for about a year now. This one's an Instant Pot, and in the comments sometimes people seem a bit confused because they'll say, well, I set it to cook for 10 minutes, and then I'll say, well, total cooking time was 45 minutes, and they'll be like, I don't understand, you said 10 minutes, how is it 45 minutes? Now, what people don't understand, and what I didn't really understand at first either, was even though you set the pot to say 10 minutes, it's going to cook for 10 minutes, it takes time to preheat, and then it goes through that 10-minute pressure cook cycle, and then after that you can release the pressure manually on its own, so it would be done at that point. But what I prefer to do is just let the pressure release naturally on its own, so that may take a while, may take half hour, 45 minutes, maybe even an hour. It just depends how full the pot is. So the total cooking time on these is not as fast as a lot of people believe. At least it's not as fast as I thought it would be in the beginning. I'm going to demonstrate this and time it with my phone so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to put 4 cups of water in the pot here. And then we'll get the lid on. Now I have this on the pressure cook setting set for 5 minutes, and I'll start the pot, and I'll also start the timer on my phone. So it's been 10.5 minutes. I'm still waiting for that pressure pin to pop up, so the pot is still preheating. Okay, that just popped up, so it took about almost 11 minutes for that to pop up. So 11 minutes to preheat. It went through the cook cycle and the pot is shutting off, and that took 18 minutes for that. So at this point, that's done cooking. You could press that button on top and steam will blow all over the kitchen. And that took 19 minutes. But like I said, I would rather just let the pressure release on its own, because for one thing, I don't like blowing steam all over the kitchen, but also the types of food I cook, I usually think they turn out better if you just let them sit in the pot and kind of simmer a little bit and cook a little longer and kind of cool down on their own. So I will keep the timer going and let you know how long that takes. The pressure pin just dropped, so that took about 40 minutes. So that's how a 5-minute cooking time turns out to be 40 minutes. But what I use that for is foods that take a long time to cook. So it's still quite a bit faster than using my slow cooker. Although I think like meats that are slow cooked all day in the slow cooker actually turn out better than cooking them in that. To me, that dries the meat out a little bit more. But that's just my opinion. I still do like that for a lot of things. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.